Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Alright, today we are checking out the Gosund Smart Light Switch. Okay, now this is a 4-pack and you can grab this off of Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. This works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. What else we got here? 15 amps, 110 volt. Alright, works with the 2.4 gigahertz. Now 5G. Alright, so what we're going to be checking out here is the switches are right there. So there they are. Let's pull one of these guys out, see what's going on here. Okay. Now, alright, so this is here. Looks pretty cool. Right, you got your standard connections here on the back. You've got your hot. Let's see. Neutral, ground, and 2 hots there. So neutral, live load wires are required to power the switch. Okay. So this might be a kind of a fun install, and we got 4 of these here. You guys can see the front there. Okay. So that's the 4 switches in the box, and I'm going to check out what else we got here. My goodness, so we got 4 sets of wire joiners. We got the technical term for those things, and then we got 4 face plates for these also. So those are kind of nice. And I don't see any screws on the front, so I kind of like that. It's kind of like a seamless look. So when these go in there, I guess you're going to go on the wall there. And then that's going to snap on over the top, and it's not going to have any exposed screws. So that's kind of a cool deal. I haven't really seen that before. I'm liking that. Okay, so there's 4 of these as well. I'm not going to pull all the face plates out, and 4 of those. Okay, what else we got in the box? Here we have a a smart wall light switch user manual, and it's telling you how to plug it in, faceplate, on-off button, light indicator, cut off power before the install. We are actually going to be doing some installs here later. This is just the unboxing. Okay, this is cool, and a nice little bonus. They actually have labels for your wires to make sure you're not going to mess up. So that's pretty handy, and there's 4 sets of those as well. So neutral is white, load, ground, green, red, green, and black is live. So nice little stickers there. That's actually kind of handy. So kind of excited to get some of these going. I do have Amazon Alexa, if you guys know and watch my videos. So I will be doing a setup, change some of my things, and slowly but surely my house is getting quite a bit smarter. So that is that for this unboxing, my friends. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check this out on Amazon if you would like. Get these back in here. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing, and we're going to see you next time. I will be, like I said, be doing installation videos as well as kind of a final review and what my thoughts are on these things. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and we'll see you next time.